So let's go to desktop and let's start our recording. So at first I will show you how to do some basic things before you can use the Python. So at first you need to download it. So just go to your default browser. For me it's Firefox. For you it can be different. And after that just write in Google download Python. To download the Python, the latest version, the 3.0, the 3.8. This is the least one today. So just write that, and after that go to the first link. You can see download Python, and it will takes you to the official Python page, and here you can see download Python 3.8.2, this button. So to download the Python, just click on it, and that's it. And you have here like a box, some kind of box. It asks you where to save this file, and actually for me I'm using Linux Manjaro here, so for me it's not necessary to install this Python, because in my operating system the Python comes by itself, so I don't need to do anything here. I have it already. But if you are on Windows, because Windows is very popular now, so you just need to download it. After you will have like a exe file, and after that you need to just install it. It's very simple, just a simple installation of Windows, like you know, over programs. So the only thing what I want to mention, that you need to check when you are installing this program. At first, when you open that exe file, you will see a checkbox which says that you need to make environment variable, something like that. So you need to check that box because otherwise you need to do that by another method. Maybe I will show it in another video, or actually there are a lot of information in Google, so you can always find that. So at the moment we can see that our Python downloads. For me, I can hit like extract something, but I don't need to do that because I already have it. So after you get a Python, all what you need to do is go to your terminal window. So for me, I open a terminal at the moment, and here we are. So let's do that. Let's do this. Let's close our windows. Yeah, let's do this now. And here we are. So at first I want to write a Python. So when you're already installed your Python, you just need to check how it works. So to check do you have Python or not, you just need to write a Python. So after that you can see that here we can see a version of the Python which we are using at the moment. So here is like a 3.8.2 for me, and this is the latest version for today. So today we have like 20, and it's like after that you can use any commands from it. So for example, if you want to print something, you just can write a text, for example hello, and after that you can see that it prints for you a hello. If you want to make something like a print command, for example in Python, you can write like that. Actually with double parentheses or just a single, that doesn't matter in this case. So just write something, and after that you can see that text appears. After that, you can make some different operations with it. You can make a division, you get a result. In Python, actually, we have some kind of division. So, for example, here is like the normal division, yes. After that, we can make a division like that. So it will gives you actually a total number, integer. So how many of this number which we are dividing is in this number, how many times it is appears in that number. For example, in 6, 3 appears 2 times, but in 5, 3 appears only 1 time. So this is like you get a total number, and this is an example of it. After, we can make something like percent. So percentage means that we get our actually a part of that number, how many numbers we need to reach that number. So it's also an integer, just it is like a floor, I can say it like that, yeah, the second part of the number. So we need to add 2 to reach the 5, and that number was like when we are using here 2 divisions, that we have only 1 3 in our number which we are dividing right now. So this is a normal division. Also we have the power of, for example, we can use like that, so it will be the same, like 5 times 5, the same result we can see here. And what is more, we can use any other operations. Actually, we can check here. I already opened the website, and here we have some arithmetic operations over here. I will put it in the description as well to make the things easier for you. And here we have some kind of arithmetic operations, basic arithmetic operations. So it's like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We have everything actually here. And also we have here an interesting symbol, because our symbols, if you're tried already another programming languages like Java, C#, C, C++, is actually, they are the same. Yeah, and these operands, operators, which are more or less and equal, not equal, and that's it. So this symbol is interesting. It says that if value of 2 operands are not equal, then condition becomes true. So this is true. This operation is actually similar to not equal. So for example, if we have here A and here B, if these numbers are not equal, for example, we have 0 and 1, then we get true here. So it is actually the same operation, like not equal, so we can use it as well. So this is like that, and after that we can just use our Control C. Okay, it's not working like that over here, so we can, how to leave this place? Oh, I just close the console and that's it. Close the window, and after that I open it again, and here we can make at the moment a simple file. So let's make something simple. Let's go to our desktop, let's create a new, for example, a text file. After that we can mention like a text1 and make it like a Python, because we are programming in Python at the moment. So we can use some different interesting things here. So here is actually our terminal and our text editor. And what we can do here. So at first let's start from the variables. So variables are actually very simple to declare. In Python you just need to write a name of an variable, for example a, and just write for example what kind of value you want to keep in this variable. So for example at the moment we keep a number, and if you want to keep a string, so write like s and something, we can write like that, or we can write like another method, that doesn't matter. So after that we can use different kind of arithmetic of operations actually as well, but this is not the most important. The most important thing what I want to show here, because arithmetic operations are actually the same. Okay, I will show you. So here we can write something like a print, and we can write like a dot, okay, a power of another. And after that we have here our text pi. Before that we need to find this file in our file system, so it's on a desktop. So just I'm on Linux right now, so I'm just writing like going to the desktop, cd desktop, and that's it. After that, to compile this program, to run it, we need to write a Python, and after that name of the file. So to fast completion of this task, we can just hit tab, and that's it. Then you get like your name of the file, so like that. So here we have our result at the moment. So it is not it is actually correctly 5 to the power of 5, we get this number. So for a user explanation, it can be 5 to the power of 2, and we get here 25 at the moment, so something like that. After that we have here our operation like concatenation, so we can write something after that, and it will be like string. We can write like that, but it will gives us exception at the moment, error we will get, because what it says for us. So here is like type error in supported operand types for int and string. So when you are using integers in your Python program, you can print them single, but if you want to print them and concatenate with other strings, you need to write you need to convert them, because by default in Python everything is string. So what you need to do here, just write just convert it to string, and that's it. And at the moment we can see that here we get our result string plus, okay, I will write something like hello, maybe a little bit more beautiful it will look like 25 hello. So this is like that. And what next? Also I want to show you a simple for example if operation. If are actually, for example in C you are using like clause here, but here in Python you shouldn't use them. Actually in Python it's a different syntaxes, so you don't need to use them, you just write like that. Look on the example. So for example if we have a not equals, for example not equals to b, then we, and here we need to put like 2 dots like that, this symbol. And after that we need to print our something. We can print something. So it's like not equal. For example, it can be like that. And otherwise or else, we can use else here as well, but we have here another operation at the moment. It can be like that. So if this print, which we can see over here, it will execute anyway. So for example, if it doesn't matter if we have here like a true or false, this string, this will execute anyway. So this is like that. And now we can check what we will get over here. So we can see not equal. This will execute executor anyway. So it's like that. And